Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Alphabet Adventure. Today, we are going to learn a very special letter. Can you guess what it is? It's the letter A. Say it with me, A. This is capital A and this is lowercase a. Let's say it together again, A. Great job. Now, let's learn what sound the letter A makes. The letter A makes a sound like this, Can you say Awesome. For apple, for apple. Do you know any other words that start with A? Let's see. A is for ant. A is for airplane. And A is for alligator. Wow, so many words start with the letter A. Now, let's try writing the letter A first. We start with a big line down, another big line down, and a line across. That's capital A. Now, for lowercase a, make a small circle and then a little line down. That's lowercase a. Let's practice. Can you find the letter A in these pictures? Great job! You're all alphabet superstars. Now, let's sing a little song about the letter A.
A is for apple. A is for ant. A is for airplane. Flying so fast. A is for alligator. Watch him crawl. A is the letter we love most of all.
Great work today, everyone. Now you know the letter A. Keep practicing, and soon you'll know the whole alphabet. See you next time for another alphabet adventure.